So my inspo for this outfit is sort of that back to school or meeting or lunch or dinner with the other moms. Like it's that kind of vibe. It definitely looks elevated. You look put together, but at the same time, uber casual. I mean, it's just one of those things where if I saw this woman walk in the room, I'd be like, wow, who's she? This is probably one of my favorite steal my style looks. So I have put together one of those outfits that looks effortless, like you just kind of threw some things together, but at the same time, oh my God, people are gonna ask you like, where did you get this? Where did you get? It's perfect. And the great thing about this outfit is it looks stunning put together, but these pieces are all amazing on their own. So let's get into it. Starting with a great pair of denim, and I keep saying it and you're not believing me, but the skinny jean, it's back. These ones have that distressed look to it, so a little faded out in the middle of the thigh. I like that the holes, the sort of ripped part is up high because it's not in the knees. I tend to not love when it's in the knees, but I like a little bit of distressed look when it's up higher. Every item you see in these videos, you will find in my Amazon storefront. I've taken all the guesswork out of it. The quality is there, the sizing is accurate, so just enjoy your bougie luxury looks for far less. Next up, we've got this navy and white flannel. Now, I will be the first to admit it. I'm not normally a checkered flannel type of girl, but stay tuned, bear with me. This is one of those looks that's all about the layering. So next, we're gonna overlay a navy sweater. Isn't it crazy just adding the sweater over top completely changed the look? Now it looks more put together. It brought in the silhouette a little. I have been wearing this little navy espadrille all summer and I will wear it into the fall. It is the perfect little stylish shoe because it gives you some height. It has a little bit of heel, but because it's a wedge, it's like I could literally run a marathon in these. They're great, they're perfect, but if you think we're done, we are not done. Bet you didn't see this coming. So we are adding a pop of color. Green is one of my favorite colors. It's one of those ones that I actually think looks good on everyone. Redheads, blondes, brunettes. It's the perfect Kelly green. And look how that changes this outfit. So the great thing about the green blazer is, listen, this outfit is great on its own. Great jeans, the flannel, a blue sweater. I mean, you saw, great outfit. But once you add this pop of green, it just becomes a whole different statement. All of a sudden, you are that woman that's got style. Pair it with a great little neutral bag. I love the size of this bag. It's small enough that it's not like a huge tote, but it's big enough. Your wallet, your sunglasses, your keys, your makeup, everything fits in here. And it's just, again, it's one of those colors that goes with everything. The entire outfit is under $200 and it's just one of those things that can become a go-to outfit. Like I said, back to school night, lunch with friends, dinner with friends, a birthday outing. It's put together, it has style, but at the same time, so casual and also comfortable. I mean, this outfit is so comfortable and so easy. If you get warm throughout the day, you take pieces off. That's the beauty to layering. So I hope you're gonna steal this style.